Okay, so the day has finally come to do the stonework under the barbecue. I've put it off for 3 years because I didn't find any stone I was passionate about, but that's not going to happen for my price range. So I'm going to show you the job I'm going to be doing and the things I'll need. It's one of my least favorite jobs. The goal is to put this stone down under this barbecue area. Just had to go to the neighbors to borrow a tamper. I already have some crushed stone under this fabric from planning this years ago. I'll be leveling it by tamping it down. We'll see how it goes. Laying stone, not my favorite job, but I do like the results. And now I'm just going to be backfilling. This easy sand, polymeric sand, goes between the joints and creates basically cement, so nothing grows between. It's amazing. Got it at Home Depot. This is the finished product, and I am very pleased.